Think about a high-performance gaming experience that lets you tackle even the most demanding AAA titles with silky smooth performance and stunning visuals, without sacrificing portability or everyday productivity. Can a mainstream gaming laptop truly deliver on both fronts? HP has been aggressively pushing the boundaries of gaming performance with its newly released Victus series, and our first taste of the line is their flagship model. A powerful 15.6-inch FHD IPS 144Hz laptop with a mighty Intel 8-core i5-13420H CPU, 32 GB of DDR4 memory, a 1 TB SSD, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU, all at an aggressive price point that undercuts many of its peers. In this comprehensive review, we'll put this machine through its paces to see if it's the perfect blend of performance, portability, and practicality. Gamers and users alike have long struggled with finding a device that strikes the perfect balance between raw processing power and usability. Many high-performance laptops are either expensive, unwieldy, or both, forcing users to sacrifice either their need for extreme processing or the convenience of portability. Meanwhile, budget laptops might deliver adequate performance, but are often held back by low-resolution displays, creaky construction, and dated hardware. However, this particular product, with its sleek and sturdy design, is off to a great start. The Victus 15.6-inch we're reviewing here is clad in a matte black magnesium aluminum alloy, giving it a premium look and feel that's reminiscent of top-tier gaming laptops. Measuring just shy of 14 inches deep and about 9.9 pounds, it's a great compromise between size and mobility, perfect for carrying between classes, gigs, or gaming sessions at home. The 15.6-inch display itself looks gorgeous, featuring a bright and sharp 1080p IPS panel with an impressive 144Hz refresh rate that makes movements smooth and seamless. Now that we've covered the first impressions, let's delve deeper into the features that will likely attract serious gamers and power users. As you'd expect from a flagship device, this Victus model comes equipped with an impressive 13th Gen Intel 8-core i5-13420H processor that can keep up with even the most demanding applications. Pairing this with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM and a whopping 1 TB SSD, you'll have all the resources you need to juggle resource-intensive tasks, run demanding AAA games, and enjoy snappy system responsiveness. Moving on to the GPU, the dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4056 GB is capable of delivering ray tracing, deep learning supersampling, and variable rate shading, all critical components necessary for that photorealistic gaming and 3D modeling. The presence of a new graphics card gives the user the confidence to run popular titles, such as Cyberpunk 2077 and Resident Evil Village at high frame rates, while delivering a crisp, responsive gaming experience even at 1080p. In real-world testing, we found that this configuration handled even the most demanding games like Assassin's Creed Odyssey and Forza 9 with ease, easily exceeding 60 FPS at 1080p in most scenarios. The device also handled a slew of creative tasks with flying colors, smoothly rendering video streams, handling 4K resolutions, and editing video files with its beefy GPU driving the show. Of course, there are some potential drawbacks worth mentioning. First, while this laptop is generally quiet under light use, prolonged gaming sessions will result in an elevated noise level due to the aggressive cooling system. Second, battery life isn't stellar under heavy loads, meaning you'll likely need to top off frequently if you're going long without power. Lastly, there's no wireless 6E or Wi-Fi 7 connectivity on this model, as well as an absence of a micro SD card slot, possibly due to the inclusion of a USB-C hub with a multi-format SD media card reader. When compared to other top-shelf gaming laptops on the market, the HP Victus 15.6-inch holds its own quite well. While the Acer Predator Helios 16 boasts an even more powerful processor, our laptop delivers slightly faster frame rates in 1080p gaming. Similarly, while the Alienware X16 packs more storage and ports, the The Victus edges out Alienware in terms of its lower price tag and even more impressive battery life in general use. All in all, the HP Victus gaming laptop delivers on its promise of offering high-performance gaming without straining one's wallet. With its 144Hz IPS display, Intel Core i5 processor, dedicated RTX graphics, and up to 32 GB RAM, this laptop is well equipped to handle a broad range of demands, whether that's gaming, video editing, 3D modeling, or any other resource-intensive pursuits. Given its price and solid performance, the HP Victus is an excellent choice for those looking for a high-end gaming laptop without going all the way up to an i9. I'd recommend the HP Victus for anyone seeking a top-notch gaming laptop with a price tag that's a step below the more expensive models available in the market. This laptop truly stands out as one of the best options in its price range. As for you, are you ready to take your gaming experience to the next level?